You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from?
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how this beautiful flat twist hairstyle was achieved. This hairstyle is so beautiful. I'm sure you guys agree with me. So if you want to know how to make something like this, then you definitely want to keep watching. Okay guys, it's time to get started. For the purpose of this hairstyle, the flat twist was achieved by my beautiful friend. You guys already know. You've seen this face 2 times. This is the third time you're seeing her on this channel, Chidera. She's one that is going to be helping me achieve this beautiful flat twist hairstyle. So before now, let me tell you guys the story of how this hairstyle came about. Before now, Chidera has never made flat twist. She knows how to cornrow, do braids, twisting, single twists, but she has never actually done a flat twist. So when I told her that I was planning to film a flat twisting tutorial, she offered to help in order to also learn while helping. So this is her trying her hands on flat twists for the very first time. And if you already saw the video at the beginning of this video, if you saw the clip now at the beginning of this video, you saw that she did absolutely well with a flat twist. A flat twist was awesome. This was her first time ever making flat twist and she did so well. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys how she was able to achieve this particular hairstyle from start to finish. So if that sounds like something you want to know about, then you don't want to click out of this video. Chidera is also going to be showing you guys how to lay your edges. She's so good with laying edges. She's one that also taught me how to lay my edges. Before now, I just used to brush my hair to the back because I just couldn't be bothered to do all those artwork that people do on their edges. But Chidera here taught me how to lay my edges. So you guys be saying how should be laying my edges for the purpose of this hairstyle. And yeah, just learn, just learn. So if you don't know how to flat twist, this is a fantastic tutorial for you right here. I tried my best to zoom in so you guys can see how she's moving her hands and all that good stuff in order to achieve this beautiful hairstyle that you guys saw at the beginning of the video. If at the end of the video you found this tutorial useful, don't forget, you guys already know the drill. Now if you've been watching a lot of my videos, you know the drill. Hit that like button. It helps me know that I'm doing well. It helps me know that you guys are getting what you subscribe to on this channel. And if you're one of those people that watch my videos without subscribing, you are wrong. Go hit that subscribe button, join my family. I want to be your friend, I want to be your sister, so please smash the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to tap the bell notification right beside it. The purpose of that bell is for you to be the first person to know whenever I drop a new video. You guys know that my videos are always very educative. I always bring something to the table for you guys, so you want to be the first person to know once my video drops. I drop at least 2 videos every single week, so please join the family. All right, now I'm just going to keep quiet, play some nice jams for you guys while you watch and learn how to achieve perfect flat twists. I'll talk to you guys soon towards the end of this video. So yeah, enjoy. Alright guys, so we are getting to the end of this particular video. We are on the last flat twist. So what we'll be doing at the back, that part that was sectioned out at the beginning of the video, we are just going to be doing twists there. So single twists just to make the back look kind of puffy and nice. I don't want the hairstyle to look too flat, so that's why we are doing twists at the back. And I'm going to be showing you how Chidera is going to be achieving those twists. Twisting is pretty easy. I don't think there's anybody that cannot twist their hair. But for those who might not be able to twist properly, Chidera right here is just showing you guys how to achieve single twists at the back. With this hairstyle, I could have easily decided to just rock it without anything, just let my hair down and all that stuff. But just to give my hair a kind of facelift, just to make it look, more genge, I decided to add something at the back. I'm going to be adding an old hair extension that I have in the house. So the texture of that particular hair extension is kind of kinky, like it looks like my natural hair strands. And I'm going to be showing you guys that particular hair once we are done with the twist. So yeah, I'm just going to allow Chidera finish up the twist before I now go ahead to attach the extra hair at the back. Also, before I forget, I'm sorry, she's also going to be showing you how to lay your edges, and she'll be doing that once she's done with the twist. She's on the last twists now, so she's going to show you how to lay your edges. Nothing serious, just how to swoop your hair to the side while trying to achieve a properly laid baby hair in front. So yeah, I'm just going to allow you guys watch this concluding part of the twist before we get into the edges. Alright guys, so we are gradually getting to the end of this particular hairstyle. All Chidera is doing now is trying to find a way to pack my hair in order to be able to attach that extension that I told you guys about previously to the back of this hair. So all she's doing now is just putting the hair together and just packing it in a low bun while I figure out how to attach that extra kinky hair that I told you guys I want to add at the back. But before we get to that, this is how I just lay my edges with this edge comb. This is what you'd normally use, right? You can use your old toothbrush or something like that, or a new toothbrush dedicated to just your hair to just lay your edges. Laying your edges is all dependent on you and how much drama you want. All you need to do is just comb the hair to the side or down and just swoop it with your gel or your edge control just to achieve the look you're going for. Chidera wanted to do plenty artwork on my hair, but because of me and just I'm not very into baby hair that looks too dramatic. I just told her I wanted it to just be swooped to the side and just look very nice. So that was what she was doing. Chidera is the absolute most when it comes to doing baby hair. So she wanted to do baby hair at the back as well. But yeah, we spent about couple of minutes deliberating on this edges matter, and this is what we came up with at the end of the day. Do you guys like what you see? If you like what you see, please give me a big fat thumbs up so I know that this video provided you with value, and it also would let Chidera know that you guys love what she did with my hair. Next up, I'm just going to attach that kinky hair that I told you guys about to the back. So that low bun at the back, I'm going to attach the kinky hair to it just to give it extra volume and just yum yumness at the back. So this is me now with the extra kinky hair at the back. All I did was just use a hair ruffle to just attach it and then just wrapped it around and pinned it to hide the secret of this hair. It's only those that watch this video that will know the secret. If you guys enjoyed watching, like I've been ringing it in your ears, please give me a big fat thumbs up so I know you guys got value from this video. Also, if you are still watching and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please, 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 we are almost at 200 subscribers and I need your help in order to achieve that major milestone on my channel. So please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye.